How to use breathwork for instant stress relief. When life feels overwhelming, one of the simplest yet most powerful tools you can use to calm your mind and body is right under your nose, your breath. Breathwork is a science-backed method for achieving instant stress relief, and anyone can do it, anywhere, anytime. Unlike passive breathing, breathwork involves intentional control of your breathing patterns. These techniques trigger your parasympathetic nervous system, the body's natural relaxation response, which helps reduce anxiety, lower blood pressure, and promote overall mental wellness. Why breathwork works? In moments of stress, our breathing becomes shallow and fast. This sends signals to the brain that we're in danger, activating the fight-or-flight response. By consciously slowing and deepening our breath, we reverse that signal, inviting calm and clarity. Incorporating breathing techniques for relaxation into your daily routine can also reduce emotional reactivity and improve focus, making it one of the most accessible and effective stress relief techniques available. 3 quick breathwork exercises. 1. Box breathing, 4-4 method. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 4 counts. Exhale for 4 counts. Hold again for 4 counts. Repeat for 1 to 3 minutes to reset your nervous system. 2. For 7-8 breath. Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 7 seconds. Exhale through the mouth for 8 seconds. Perfect for winding down before bed or easing social anxiety. 3. Ocean breath, Ujjayi. Breathe in through your nose and exhale slowly while slightly constricting the back of your throat to create a soft ocean-like sound. This is commonly used in yoga and mindfulness meditation. Make it a habit. You don't need a special setting or lots of time. Just a few minutes of conscious breathing each day can significantly improve mental health and support long-term emotional resilience. Looking for guidance? The Zool app offers guided breathwork sessions and tools to help you build a consistent practice. Final thoughts. Your breath is always with you, and it's your most reliable anchor during stress. With just a few intentional breaths, you can shift from chaos to calm instantly. Start with 1 breath today and feel the difference.